Jain everyone. I Manisha Rawat would like to recite a tale of a tribal soldier, a tale of courage, a tale of valor, and a tale of will. The tale is of Lance Nayak Albert Ekka. Albert Ekka belonged to an Adivasi tribe. He was a very good hunter, shooter, and physically very fit. He was entrusted in hunting from his childhood. With his experience of hunting in jungles, he was able to be a better soldier with his skillful use of ground and movements. As he grew, Ekka developed interest for the army and was enrolled in the Bihar regiment. After the 14th Battalion of the Brigade of Guards was raised in January 1968, Ekka was transferred to this unit. He saw action in counter-insurgency operations in the northeast. During the preparations anticipation of Indo-Pakistani War of 1971, Ekka was promoted to Lance Nayak. The Liberation War started in Bangladesh. Gangasagar, on the border of Bangladesh, there was a railway station of Gangasagar. As the war broke out, 14 guards was attached to the 4 corps. The capture of Gangasagar, located 6 km to the south Akhora in the Brahmanbaria district. 14 guards was tasked for this. As the operation began, the unit placed itself south of Gangasagar, about 4 km from Akhora railway station, and formed its defences. The high ground around the railway station was the main defence, followed by anti-tank and anti-personnel mines. During a patrol, Pakistani troops were found moving on the railway tracks, and one of them started firing, and the bullet shot Ekka down, and he fell down. He didn't thought for a second, and he again stood up, and he shot the enemy down. They fought for more hours and captured the place. There is a MMG, a medium machine gun. It is very deadliest, that if a bullet hits you, your body will break into 2 parts. Ekka saw that the enemy is firing from the MMG. He thought, if we want to accomplish the mission, so we have to silence the MMG. He went with his company commander, and another bullet struck his neck, and he again fell down, and he again stood up. He touched his neck and saw it's not sweating, but it's bleeding. His blood was so warm that he couldn't feel the pain. He thought, till the body is warm, I will not feel the pain, and he just had some minutes to do something. He saw 2 men firing from MMG. He took the grenade and threw it on the enemies. One was killed and one was still alive, and he was firing at people. Ekka took his rifle. Rifle has a bayonet, a kind of a knife. He went and attacked the enemy's chest by the bayonet, and he died. Everybody was looking at Ekka that he did this. It was time to come back. He was hit by 2 bullets. He was coming down from the ladder. 1, 2, third step. The third step he took, and he fell down, and he died. Lance Nayak Albert Ekka was awarded India's highest wartime gallantry award, the Paramveer Chakra. In 2000, on the occasion of 50th Republic Day, the government of India issued a postal stamp in his memory. The son of Jharkhand was honoured by naming the major intersection in front of Firaya Lal store as Albert Ekka Chowk, which also bears his statue. Sources say that government failed to take care of his family and they're not in a healthy state. Due to utter corruptions, only words are being said on his birthdays and martyr days, but no one is taking care of his family. He displays the most conspicuous valor and determination and made the supreme sacrifice in the best traditions of the army. Thank you.